You're waiting for Rosie. Lola, don't pick on Rosie. What's Lily doing? Digging. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's run. Come on. Or are you going to get Howie? Okay. Did you get him? Did you kick his booty? Huh? Did you get him? Find your ball? Yeah, it's Lola beat up Rosie Day at the dog park today. Come on, Lola, leave her be. Lola, come. Come on. Come on. Leave her be. Come on. Move that little booty of yours. Good girl, Rose. You good girl? You staying away from that big mean Lola girl? Yes, yes. Okay. You be nice. Hey, you be nice girl. Oh, shit. That was a body slam, complimentary of Lola, because Lily was playing with her little protectee. All right, enough. Come on. Let's go this way. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my little family. So funny. Come on, Can. Come on. Good. Keep moving. You crazy animals.